Hišani, navadna hiša, resni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.
Hello, I'm Per Edvin Persson, Pelle for short, former long-time director of Heureka in Finland and honorary fellow of Aztec ICSITE and the Nordic Science Center Association. I extend my warmest congratulations to the House of Experiments in Ljubljana, one of the greatest science centers in the world. I admire the ingenuity and cleverness of your exhibits and your science shows, and I myself await the possibility to revisit you. I hope you will have many visitors to come for the next 25 years, and I wish you all the best and a great success. Bye-bye.
Hišani, navadna hiša, resni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim